Okay, this is a quick little intro. Summer has hit, so I'm going to be sitting at my desk. Multiple sclerosis is decreasing my mobility while the temperature is high. It's a problem I can't deal with. So I'm going to recut some old videos, and this is one of them. Hope you enjoy. We'll see you when the weather cools off, and I'll do some more new content. This video is a mental health trip I took with my 6-wheel drive military ambulance and the 8-wheel drive Amphibious Argo. I went out in search of a geocache that I have been looking for over a decade and haven't had a way to get to it. So this time I tried using all the tools I've got, and I think I finally got it. So I'm here, and I've got a nice little spot set aside. I'm a long way from the amenities block, but that's not going to matter too much, I think. I'm at a quiet end of the park. It turns out there's another 6-wheel drive vehicle here too, another Land Rover. So there's a picture of that in the corner here. Yeah, so they're kind of interested. I think the owners, that one belongs to the owners, I believe. And they might come and have a chat to me about mine later on. Dirt roads are fun, aren't they? Especially wet dirt roads. Glad I had the tarp up, but I haven't even driven this anywhere, and I'm still going to need to clean it. Anyway, I've got to get some pond weed off the axles, and then I might go for a little reconnoiter.
I'd identified this by the drone as a spot that could be a bit difficult to pass through. I did want to continue all the way down the coast, but that's probably not going to be too much of an option looking at that scrub. Alright, looks like there's a bit of a campsite down here, and this is our first possible entry. The wind is onshore along here, which is nice. Oh, there's a boat taking off out there. Means we're close to the river. This level of waves is not too bad, but it does make for difficult navigation in this Argo. As much as it floats, it's still not a boat, and waves are a bit of an enemy to it. Oh, boggy mud holes. This thing loves them. With a hunk of wood in there. Somebody's been bogged in it before. Yeah, it's a bit deeper than it looks. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't try and bring the 6-wheel down here. My good old buddy Rocco would be happy about this. He loves deep slop poo, as he calls it. I can't help it, I gotta try this. Yep, it's slick. Alright. Alright, unexpected potential entry into the water here. Whoa. Get a bit railroaded here. Alrighty. Oh, we might actually make it in the water here. Now, if I can get into the water from here, this spot will be ideal, but I need to find out if I can actually get in and out of the water here. Alright, so that comes in fairly good. I'll probably make contact with the ground here. I'm up. Cool. Alright, so I've progressed to going on foot. Some people here duck hunting in that boat, and they reckon their neighbour's got, or their friend on a farm has got Nargo as well. They reckon I'd get bogged here. I'm not confident that I would, but it is getting a bit wet to be walking on foot, so we might consider other options to get to this cache. Alright, we're going to try and sneak across and find this cache. I found a good entryway. Alright, let's see if I can plot my way through this carefully. Pretty close to where we need to be, but it's also very wet. Yep, my boots are definitely going to need re-waterproofing when I get home. Alright, and drying out. Alright, I found the cache. There's not much in it, but it hasn't been touched for a long time. I've secured it a little bit better. The logbook is saturated. I can't even write on it without ripping the paper up. So I will log my find when I get home. I have actually found it, and I've got video evidence of it. Now I need to remember where my Argo is so I can get out of here. But I think it's right about here. Here we go. Okay. Right. Luckily, there's a big ass boat where I would need to land, so it's going to make that a little easier to find. Plus, I'm reasonably confident I'm not going to get bogged if I take the same way in as same way out as I took in.